But that's not all. That we keep going until they get very fine. That's how they look. Or you can even go further than that. We're adding some spices before cooking. If you're using ground pepper, don't add too much. Time to start heating it. I add the oil later. Maybe hard to see, but there's water evaporating from this and the volume has gone down. The mushrooms shrink as the water goes out. And I'm including a little bit of garlic. That may be about 2 or 3 cloves of garlic to mix in real well here. And I'm mixing in a little bit of oil. And I'm going to stir that in. Another optional material to add is, let's say, sherry or wine. And cook that in for a few minutes. Just be careful if the flame is too high, that could burst into a flame, so you just want to be aware of that. The minced mushrooms are now ready to serve in rice or on top of a baked potato.